Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to track your heart rate on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So if we click the button and we swipe right, we will see the heartbeat here, and we can tap to measure, and we can now give it a few seconds. Usually needs around 20 to 30 seconds because they are literally counting how many times your heart is beating, and it needs a certain amount of seconds to do the right time. As we can see, 78 BPM, so beats per minute. And we can even cancel, and we can also check it from here if we click the heart on the menu, and we have the heart rate here, so we can check it once again. But you can do it from the swipe from the right in to the center, and also by clicking, going to the little heart and checking it there. That is how you can check your heart rate. Also, if you're exercising, you're going to get your heart rate depending on what menu you have on your exercising, but basically here. And then you have also your records and so on. But yeah, that's how you check your heart rate with the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.